Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Now what I want to talk about here, I want to talk about the bar tapes and method of wrapping. I have a vintage a bike over here that the bar tape was taped from top to bottom, and over here for my daily bike, the bar tape was taped from the bottom to the top. And I'm gonna just explain the benefits, why you should use one technique over the other and whatnot. Okay, first of all, let me start you off with my Pinarello, my daily bike, and the reason why I taped from the bottom to the top. If you look over here, I put the plugs in, and I start wrapping this way over. So you see how my tape goes from the bottom, and then it goes all the way up. And over here, I put the tape to finish it off, electrical tape. Now, the reason why I have started from the bottom over here and worked my way up is because when I put the handle, so when I put my hand and she starts sliding this way, I'm not going to mess up the tape. See how the tape goes over? Whereas if I take you over here, what's happening? The tape actually goes over from the bottom. And what's happening is that you will, when you go this way, you will start the tape will start to lift up. And if I take you over here, when you put your hands over here, and they start sliding this way, the tape, what's going to happen? The tape is going to stay intact. You're not gonna be able to lift the tape when you rest your hands here. Like for example, if I put my hand in here and I go this way, see how the tape nicely slides over, because I've taped it like this way, that I have a nice pattern going this way like this. So when you're resting your hand over here and you're pulling this way, you're not gonna lift the tape because the tape is wrapped in that way, that goes over. And then same thing continuing over here. So when you're holding the bar tape, see, you have tape going over the tape here, and then you're not going to be able to mess up the tape. So the benefit is that if you're using the bike on a daily basis, I would suggest you start wrapping from the bottom. So from the bottom to the top, and put the electrical tape right here. Now, option number 2, if you have a show bike like this one over here, that doesn't get ridden quite often, and it's mainly used for showcasing and whatnot as a display, I would recommend starting from here and then going like this and then going all the way to the bottom. This method is going to most likely work if you're not using the bike on a daily basis, and it can, basically the benefits are that you're gonna have a much cleaner finish. And you're not gonna have the tape here like I have it on my other bike over here. So as you see what I have here, I don't have the tape because I have the tape going from here, and then I have the plug closing it here nicely. So the benefit is that you have a really clean finish. But then again, you're not gonna be able to use this on a daily basis, because when you keep riding this bike like this, you're gonna lift the tape. Because when you slide like this, you slide your fingers over, so this thing is gonna get cracked up and it will look terrible, yeah. And for the daily use, what I would recommend, I would recommend that you tape your tape from the bottom here to top, which is gonna be a lot more user friendly on a daily basis. Then you rest your fingers here and hands, so that you're not gonna mess up the tape, and it can last you for a couple of years. I hope that made sense. I hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.